Set theory and logic. So first we'll talk about statements. A statement is a declarative sentence that can be objectively determined to be true or false, but not both. So for example, I'm asking which of the following are statements, and we'll circle the ones that are. It is snowing. Well, it's either snowing or it is not snowing, so that is a statement. This salsa is very hot. That's going to be a matter of opinion, so that's not going to be a statement. 18 plus 12 is equal to 40. Well, that's going to be false, but nonetheless, it's a statement because we can determine if that's true or false. Would you like fries with that is a question, so that is not a statement because it's neither true nor false. Notice that whether a sentence is true or false doesn't matter when determining if it is a statement, really. Whether or not a sentence is a statement lies entirely in being able to objectively determine if this sentence is true or false. Opinion cannot come into play.